Alright, good day once again. So in this class, we're going to learn how to design this flyer. We're going to learn how to design this flyer. This flyer here, we're going to learn how to design it as graphic designers. Now, quickly, let's go back to our Pixel Lab. So when you go back to your Pixel Lab, this is my Pixel Lab. When you open it, this is the interface for you. Yours will be different. Mine too is different. So before you start design, let's check the size that you are going to use. So click on this 3 dots here. Click on this 3 dots here to check the size of the image that you are going to design. So you see image size. When you click on image size, the width size is 1280, the height is 1280. Now this is okay. So we are going to select our background. So to select our background, we will come here. We will come to this side to select our background. So you come to color. Now when you come to color, you switch it to gradient. You scroll. When you come to gradient, just scroll. Select this color. This color hue. Select this color hue. Now when you are done selected, click on this plus arrow here. Then when you come here, click on this to switch the color. As you can see, something like this. Now click on this container to choose your color. So this is the color that we want. The color we want is something like this. So you switch these things to this side. So it's too deep. Let's make it light. Okay. This one is okay. So it's left with that black part. Now click here 3 times. You see you get the black. Switch the hue to that same part. Here, then switch these things to here. Here is where we are going to select the color in deep format. Now let's select it. So as you can see, the way I'm doing it, do it in this same order. You get your color nicely. Okay. So I think it's okay. Now next thing to do is come to this side. To select our image, the color is not nice that. So if you want to get the same color on the image, select the image so that you can choose the color from the image. So click on import. Then go back to this. So as you can see, the colors are not the same. So let's try and achieve this same color here. Now go back to color. Click on this plus sign. Click on this color view. Then click here. It will direct you onto your picture. Switch it to picture. Choose this color first. Click OK. One side. Now double click here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. switch it. You see you get this. Click on this and switch this hue here. Select this side. Click OK. As you can see, now you have achieved the same thing. Click on OK. So you have something like what you have earlier there, here. Now switch this thing here. Click here, come to import, select your image. So this is our image that you're come to use. And one thing that you want to take note of it, you have to take note of it, is that the image that you are selecting for the design must be high quality images. The images must be high quality images, not any image. The images must be high quality images. So let's continue. This one is not all that quality. So let's continue. Now increase the size. Increase the size. Increase the size of the image. Increase the size. Increase the size. Increase the size. So think something like this. Okay, fine. Now click here to lock the image. That's you just selected. Click here. You see this thing. Then click on it to lock it. Okay. So once we are done selecting our image, what is the next thing on it? Welcome to October. Roll up your sleeve. Get to work. Okay. So quickly go back to fonts. Go back to fonts. So this is our fonts. Click here. Click on this A. You see text. Click on the text. Scroll. You see font. This is our font. So you are going to choose that welcome font. But before that, let's change this new text to welcome to. Welcome to. So you have it here. Scroll to padding. Enable the padding, left padding to 5, right padding to 5. Now scroll to font. Go and select that text for the welcome to. Now let's move. Sorry for the background noise here. Scroll. Get to signature. My pencil app is different. Yours too will be different. So select image. Select a font that looks like a signature font. Yeah. Any font that looks like a signature font, and we have many signature fonts here. On this pencil app. Mine is different. So this is the font that I've selected. Now I'm done with it. So let me switch it into the middle. So click on relative position. Position it in the middle. Bring it top here. Now the next thing to do is to select another text. So click on text. Now we'll click on it. Then type October in caps. Switch to padding. Enable the left padding. This one enable it to 10:10. The right to 10. Enlarge it. Something like this. But make sure you lock this one. When you position it, make sure you lock it so that it will not mix up. So let's choose another font for October. As you can see on the image, you scroll to make Tommy bold, or any font that looks bold like make Tommy. Yeah, any font that look bold like make Tommy. Something like this. It's okay. Increase the size. So let's check the size. 92 is too small. Increase it to 110. 110 is okay. Position it well. It's okay. Now click here, select shape, then enable the shape into a rectangle form. Scroll to opacity, enable the opacity to 0. Scroll down to stroke width, enable the stroke width to 5. Then scroll to down, you see stroke color, enable the stroke color to white. So let's check if the 5 is okay. Okay, the 5 is okay. Now we are not done. Enable the radius to let's see. So you enable the radius to let's say 8. 8 is okay. 8 is okay. 8 is okay. 8 is okay. Sorry for the background noise. So 8 is okay. No, 8 is not okay. Okay. So let's maintain this 5. Enable the radius to 5. Let's maintain this 5. Now, when you achieve something like this, it's okay. So bring it down once more. Then you lock the shape. So bring the October 2 down small. And make sure they are all in the same position. So you enable the welcome to, then you position it downwards, something like this. Make sure it will be in a position in the middle form. So click on relative position, position it here. Okay, it's okay. Now lock it. Lock the October. But I think the shape is not all that nice. So the shape is closer to the text. So it didn't attach to the text. So let's increase the size more. Let's see the position of the shape. Then it means the text is not in the middle. Okay, so let's switch the text to in its position form and let's see. Okay. Nice. Lock it. Now, the next thing to do on the text, it says roll up your sleeve, get to work. So when you are done with this text, you go and select another text again. So here you type roll up your sleeve. As you can see here, position it like this. Decrease the size to, let's say, 30. Choose your font. So let's say I'll choose this font. Gotham Medium. You can choose any font that looks similar to Gotham Medium. So I've selected my font already. Roll up your sleeve, copy it. But before that, lock the roll up your sleeve. So enable the size, increase the size more. I think it's too small. So let's maintain it in 33. So copy it. Then you type another font. Get to work. Get to work. Sorry for the background noise. Get to work. Position it here. Nice. And make sure they are all in the same lane. So you switch this. You click on this thing. You see something like this. Bring it down here to see whether they are all in the same level. As you can see, they are not in the same level. Unlock it. Switch it off. Position it well. So you position the get to work. Okay. So it's okay for now. Lock both text. Lock both text. Lock both text. Now you select another shape again. Come to shape. Select another shape again. Enable the shape in this format. Then make it in rectangular form. So when we're done in achieving it in a triangular form, reduce the opacity to 0. Now enable the stroke width to 5. Change the stroke color to white. Then enable it here. Oh, sorry, we are not done with the radius. Enable the radius to 8. To something like this. You copy, bring it here to position it well. So make sure they are all in the same position. Now let's switch this one by 2. Okay. Now I think it's okay. So switch it here. No. Yeah, it's okay. So lock both shapes. Now when you are done, you are not done yet. As you can see, you are not done yet. You need to enable shadow on the radius to make it light. So On the first radius that we selected, this radius or this shape, you scroll to shadow, enable the shadow, then enable the shadow color to white to achieve something like this. You lock it. The same thing applies to the rest. You enable the shadow, enable it, change the color to white, unlock it, enable the last one, scroll to shadow, enable the shadow color to white. Thing applies to this one. Enable the after you enable the shadow, change the shadow color to white. Something like this is okay. Now unlock both images. So delete the first image that you selected. So when you are done, you see you achieve something like this, but the image is not clear. And I'll advise you, that's why I ask you to download Pinterest. So anytime you want to download any image, download it from Pinterest. Download the image from Pinterest. So now when you are done, you click here to save it. Click on save as project first. So I'll save it as welcome to October design. I've saved it. Now save it as image as well and change the custom to ultra. Then you save it. Something like this. So when you go back to your gallery, you see the image that you just designed here. So this is what we just designed. Now each and everyone is going to design same thing as attached to the resources given to us. Alright, see you in the next class. Bye bye.